Here's how to connect Joy-Cons from the Switch 1 to your brand new Switch 2. If you guys didn't know, the Joy-Cons from the Switch 1 are compatible with the Switch 2, and it's very easy to connect. All you have to do is go down here to the menu bar and then select controllers. You could use your joysticks if you want. Just head over to controllers. Then press A right here, and then you're gonna select the first option, change grip order. Press A in there, and that'll put you in this screen. And now you just have to put these Joy-Cons on pairing mode. Now, one of them actually connected by itself, but to put these Joy-Cons on pairing mode, first you wanna go ahead and hold this little circle that is on the side of it. Hold it down until you see it starts like flashing in there. There you go. Now, what that is doing, it's kind of disconnecting this Joy-Con from whatever it was paired before. And then after you have disconnected your Joy-Con from your old console, now it's time to put it on pairing mode again. So go ahead and hold this button one more time until the Switch 2 picks it up this time, and you should feel this controller vibrate. And as you can see, it did say pair right there on the top. And as you can see, it's being added to the console, it's being added to your Switch 2. And of course, you could do the same with your other Joy-Con if you have multiple Joy-Cons. And there you guys have it, how to pair your old Switch 1 Joy-Cons with your brand new Switch 2. If this video helped you out, guys, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.